In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply or sign up for a Deliveroo rider account in Italy. Becoming a rider for Deliveroo is an exciting opportunity, offering flexibility and the chance to earn money while exploring the city. Let's dive straight into how you can get started on this journey. Firstly, you'll want to head over to Deliveroo's official rider website at rider.deliveroo.et. This is where our adventure begins. The website is user-friendly and allows you to navigate through the process with ease. Upon reaching the homepage, you'll see an option at the top right corner where you can choose your preferred language. You have the option between Italiano and English. Simply click on the up and down arrows next to the login button to select your preferred language. This will make the whole process more comfortable, ensuring you understand each step along the way. Next, it's time to choose your preferred work location. This simply means selecting the city in Italy where you would like to operate as a Deliveroo rider. Consider your familiarity with the city's layout and traffic patterns when making this decision, as it can significantly impact your experience. Once you have that settled, it's time to fill out your personal information. The application will ask for basic details such as your full name, email address and phone number. Be sure to double check this information for accuracy, as it's crucial for communication and account purposes. With the groundwork now laid, you will need to choose your delivery method. Deliveroo offers you three options: a car, a scooter or a bicycle. Consider your resources and the type of terrain you'll be covering as you make this choice. After deciding on your vehicle, you must upload some crucial documents. These generally include a valid ID, proof of your right to work in Italy, and a driver's license if your chosen delivery method is a vehicle. If you're using a vehicle, remember insurance details are also required, and of course don't forget to provide your bank details to ensure your earnings go straight to your account. With documentation out of the way, you'll need to complete Deliveroo's online onboarding and safety training. This step ensures that you're adequately prepared to handle deliveries safely and efficiently. Once all your details are filled in and your training is complete, the next step is just to wait. Approvals can vary in time, but once everything is greenlit, you'll receive a free rider kit. The kit will contain everything you need to start your deliveries efficiently. Finally, download the Deliveroo Rider app. This app is your gateway to accepting delivery orders. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, helping you manage your orders effectively. Congratulations, you are now ready to hit the road as a delivery rider in Italy. Enjoy the flexibility and the new experiences that come with every delivery. Happy riding!